In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your crypto wallet address on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process will work for any coin. In this case, let's try Bitcoin. But again, this is the same process for any crypto wallet you want to use. So just go right here at the top and search for your coin. In this case, let's say it's Bitcoin. Click right here and then scroll down. So right here, we're gonna deposit, click right here, and now you need to choose a network. So there are different types of network. Let's choose the Bitcoin network for this example. Here you got some simple instructions, like you can only deposit Bitcoin from the network you have chosen. There is a minimum deposit as well. The processing time, which will be different depending on the crypto and the network you use. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, just try sending a smaller amount first. Click right here and you should see your deposit address. So this is my Bitcoin deposit address. We can click right here to copy this wallet address, or you can also use this QR code which anyone can scan to have the information of your wallet. So that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to see your crypto wallet address for any coin on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.